Good morning, Geometry guys. It's Mr. Jeffries coming at you with the early morning edition. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the bell. For those in my regular class, don't forget about the test in Schoology that's due tonight. This is Thursday, February the 26th at 11:59 p.m. You could also use class time to do it instead of playing Tetris or the motorbike game or other stuff that you have going on. All right, so I'm calling out the ones that are going to probably have their parents email me saying they didn't have time to do it. So, all right. So, number one, your radius is 9 yards. Oh, that one's still frozen. Thank you. All right. Radius is 9 yards. So that would mean the area is 81 pi yard squared. All right. Number two, your radius is 28 feet. Okay, I can't do that one in my head. So 28 squared, 784 pi feet squared. Yeah. It refroze. Let's see if it won't do it again. All right, there we go. Too many screens. All right, and number three, 0.6 meters. So 5.6 squared. All right, this is round to the nearest hundredth, so we're good here. Pi meters squared. Okay. So, I can tell you right now, you will have to find the area of circles on your check on learning because it's, what are you doing? Why are you writing that on the board? You're bored? I can give you something to do. Okay. All right. So, I could have you go outside and count the blocks on the floor. Now, so, you won't have problems like 1 through 3 on the check on learning. They're more like the bottom because it does about the same. All right. So, that being said, all right, our radius for number 4, we're finding the area of the shaded vector. The shaded vector. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I think vector should come back in a Despicable Me movie. Square. All right, the fraction of the circle. I'm not actually going to make you reduce this down. I probably should, but I'm not. All right, so this would be 40 over 360 times 12.25. 40, whoop, whoop, whoop. 360, 12.25. Oop. All right, wow. So we have 1.36 pi yards squared. All right. Radius is 7.5. This is why, because look, you got to find the radius, the area, circle. It's the same. These first two questions are exactly what you had to do on 1 through 3. If you were paying attention. Oh. Feet, pi, feet squared. So 70 over 360. Times 56.25 times 70 over 360. All right, so this is 10.937, so 10.937. So this would be 10.94 pi feet squared. $12 meters, 144 pi meter squared. Somebody's music or something is way, way loud. So 90 over 360 times 144. All right, so this is 36 6 pi meter squared. All right. So it's the same steps. It's the same formula from yesterday on your notes. So if you had your notes out from yesterday or you went on the Schoology and actually looked at the notes from yesterday, it's the same stuff, just different problems. Okay? Alright, is everybody good with 4 through 6? Alright, last two. Radius is 6 feet. So this would be 36 pi feet squared. 120 over 360, which is a third. $360. Some's 36. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I know that the denominator got fairly large. All right, so this is going to be 12 pi feet squared. All right, radius is 3 meters. Area would be 9 pi meters squared. Okay, so just got a question. If I'm writing the lengths of measure and I'm putting squared on the lengths of measure, do you have to do that for the check on learning and the test? Yes. Over 360. So two, 5, 360. Whoops, this way, thank you. Alright. So, now, if you left it as a fraction, if you wanted to, this is 5.125, so this would be 5.13 pi meter squared. Okay, if you wanted to leave it as that fraction, if you have a calculator that will give that to you first thing, I would just leave it as the fraction. Okay, especially because some of y'all are not very good at rounding for some odd reason, which is, you know, that kind of thing. All right, so we're about to do a check on learning. They're going to have almost 15 minutes to do 2 problems. Some people will say they won't have enough time. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, with the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.